Hello guys, in this lesson we are gonna see how we can sort an array and also iterate an array. Okay, so let's see how we can sort an array. I'll first of all show us this sort an array. So let's assume we have an array of probably of fruits. Okay, and this is the array, and we have here orange. Okay, we have orange, we have another one apple, we have maybe a pineapple. Okay, let's say we have just these three, and these are the elements of an array, and we want to really sort this array. Okay, there is a way to go about it in JavaScript, and it's basically for you to go ahead and say fruits, okay, dot sort. All right, like this. Okay, I said fruits because the name of my array is fruits, so I'm just basically gonna say dot sort, and then finally I'm just gonna say console and dot log. Okay, and I'll console dot log that particular fruits. Okay, and it's gonna give me, let's try to run this code first. All right, so it's gonna give me the sorted fruits. As you can see, this fruit has been sorted out alphabetically. Okay, A comes before O, and then finally the P. Okay, so that's basically what we have here, and this is how you can sort an array. Okay, as long as it has to do with words. Okay, this is actually when it has to do with words, but actually when it has to do with numbers, the case is actually different. Okay, so let's say we have a number. Let's say array of numbers, and probably we have 1 to 5. Not really 1 to 5. Okay, let's just say, okay, let's just start with something like this, and okay, it's more like not arranged in order, and then something like this, and then we say numbers the sorts, and then finally we are gonna consider log numbers. Let's see how it goes right now. I'll just go ahead and play this, and it goes ahead and sorts these numbers the way it should. Okay, but this is not always the best way to go about number sorting. Okay, because when we do something like let's say we have 100 here. Okay, and then we have 50 here, and probably we have 6 here, we have 2 here, we have 8 here, and then finally we have 1. Okay, so when I try to do this sorting, basically you should be expecting that the answer will be 1, 2, 6, 8, 50, and then finally 100, right? But unfortunately that's not what it's gonna be. Okay, so let's see what the answer is gonna be when I try to run this code. Okay, let's see. Good. As you can see, the answer is giving me right now is basically 1, 100, 2, 50, 6, and 8. So you might want to ask yourself what really happened here. Okay, so what happened is that in numbers, when you are sorting numbers, it actually focuses on the first number. Okay, so it's actually seeing the first number, not minding the subsequent ones. Okay, so what do I mean? 100 actually starts with 1, so it is actually seeing it as 1. Okay, so that's why immediately this one came up here. It starts looking out for another number that has 1 as the beginning. Okay, that's in the beginning. Okay, same thing applies to the 50 before the 6. Okay, there's actually 5 before 6, so it will see 5 instead of 50. Okay, so then how can we go about this in number sorting? Okay, so how you can go about it is actually going inside here in this number.sort function. You can just go ahead and write in function. Okay, function that is gonna take up 2 parameters, a and b. Okay, and then you can finally say return. Can finally say we have this and then this. Okay, basically I'm gonna write a function inside the parentheses. That's what it means. Okay, so I'm just gonna say return. I'm gonna return this a. Sorry, I'm gonna return a minus b. Okay, in this case, and finally I think it should go ahead and give us what we are expecting. Okay, I'll just go ahead and click this, and as you can see, it has sort our program. Okay, our program is now sorted out. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 6, 8, 50 and 100. Okay, so this is actually if you want to go in ascending order. Albeit if you want to go in descending order, you just have to go come here and then specify and say b minus a. Okay, b minus a, and then save your work and go ahead, and it should start from 158, 6, 2, and then finally 1. Okay, so this is basically how you can really sort an array, okay, and also sort a number that is in array in JavaScript. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a like, and also to subscribe to my channel in case you haven't subscribed to it. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you right in the next video.